Hi. Well, I have a quick question for you. Do you find it difficult to communicate with others? Or maybe you feel, I'm not that confident. I feel kind of scared. Or maybe you find it difficult to convert sentences from native language to English. No matter what the case, we are here to save you, which means we have come forth with communication crash course and that of absolutely free. Well, what are we going to offer in that? We have 40 lessons of crash course in communication, and we also have 40 assessments attached to that. What does that mean? It means after watching the lesson, you can attempt questions and you can mail it to us. We are going to correct it and we are going to observe it and we will send it back to you. All this is absolutely free. Every Sunday, the video is going to be up, and before the next lesson is up, your assessment will be corrected and it will be sent to you. Not only that, let's try to talk about what else the module is going to include. Well, the module is going to have basic conversation skills, icebreaker techniques, assessments, common grammatical mistakes. So, if this excites you and if you're ready for the journey, let's get started. Welcome on board.